Hi, I'm Maazin, and this is the IKDP project Task 5. For this task, we're going to be doing a comparison between the usage of the SAP and the Odoo platforms. Welcome back once more. So for this task, we're going to be seeing a certain similarities and dissimilarities between the Odoo platform and the SAP platform. And we're also going to discuss how in more than one ways, one is better than the other in certain categories. So we've already seen how Odoo can be really user friendly when it comes to, for example, creating our requests for quotations, how user friendly it was. Similarly, when we go into sales, we also saw how easily we can create our quotations and our sales orders. So that's one advantage that Odoo has over SAP, that it's really user friendly. So the next way we can think about it is if we go back into any of our apps, for example, purchase, it's very easy to look at our inventory within a few clicks. We can see a list of our inventory along with their quantity in hands. This is much better, in my opinion, as compared to using SAP. uh, in terms of the user friendly ability, because in the SAP platform we need to go into logistics, the materials management, inventory management, environment, stock, and then the stock overview to look at our inventory. But even then we need to know the exact material code to view the material that we need, that we're looking for. But Undo makes it much easier by giving us an entire list of materials that we have in our inventory along with their corresponding quantity. We can also change that by having different filters over here, or we can group all our materials or our products uh, based on the category they belong to. So for example, we can group by all the desks together, we can group by all the chairs together, and so on and so forth. Another advantage of Odoo is the way we can change the viewing of the products. This is another bigger advantage over using SAP, because we can actually get a pictorial demonstration of what we are looking for. It makes it much easier for the user to search for the product instead of just searching by name. So another functionality that Odoo offers is we can go to sales and check our reporting. So here Odoo gives us a different graph of how each sale has been made throughout the timeline of the company, and it can be represented in various forms, from bar charts to line charts and pie charts, and these are very useful to just have a look at and make sure that your spendings are in the right directions over the right genres or the right categories that you have planned for already. We can also take a look at the configuration settings. Out here, we can change multiple settings in our configuration based on how we want the Odoo platform to appear to us and how it interacts with us. For example, if we go into the website settings, I can change this now to Maazin's website, and that's how it will appear to me. So this is another advantage that the Odoo platform has. If we go back to so if we go to our website, discard these changes. Um, Udo also gives us this small analytical platform where we can see the number of orders, the quantity, and the total amount that we have been able to spend. Apart from that, it also gives us a lovely graph right at the beginning, and it also offers us a functionality to connect it to Google Analytics. We all know in today's day and time how important it is to have an analytical background to every business that we do. And Odoo, of course, offers this functionality to us. So in conclusion, I wouldn't say that one software is better than another. It really depends on your purpose, of course, your purpose for using it, and also the kind of person that is using it. If you are a small scale company and you want a better user interaction, of course, Udo is better. But the reason why SAP has taken over the market and dominated it completely is because of its high end functionality and its ability to deal with massive amounts of data as compared to Udo. While Udo also has that functionality, I think it's much more broad scaled in SAP. So these are a few takeaways from the Odoo and the SAP comparison, and it's really up to the user to choose which one suits them the best. Thank you so much for viewing this.